M-Grip is our new modified acrylic hard set adhesive. This will be replacing MT711, which has been a great adhesive for us for over 2 decades. However, new technology that has come out recently, this is a dynamite adhesive. It's got features that are far superior in shear strength, moisture resistance, working time, just a fabulous glue. What we're going to use this for is we're going to use it on our Adora Apex Hexagon product, which is glue down, obviously our Adora Flex, our new Adora Pro Loose Lay, LVS Sheet, and then our Mannington All Main products, LVT glue down and vinyl back sheet. You might notice this cool new logo on the M-Grip bucket. And what this is our brand new Mannington 360 brand that we're excited to launch. This encompasses all of our current sundries. You'll see new branding with those sundries rolled out, and also some really cool new products, including this M-Grip. I mentioned all the products that M-Grip's going to be used for, which is awesome. Now, to get the specific coverages and trowel size and recommendations, you're going to have to go to those individual installation instructions, because M-Grip can be used with 3/8 snap roller, a 1/32 by 1/32 by 1/16 trowel. Also, in the case of our Adora Apex Hexagons, a 16th by 16th by 16th notch trowel. So you're going to see coverages range from as low as 150 with the Hexagons, but all the way up to 350 square feet per gallon if you're using the 3/8 snap roller method. Also, flash times and working times are going to vary slightly. So again, please see individual installation guides to get all those details. So we've given the adhesive proper flash time or open time. It's been about 15 minutes, and it's becoming tacky. It's darker in color. As we begin the hexagon tile installation on our already marked out predetermined lines, another advantage. So I'm going to set on that line here and keep my point on this line. That's our reference marks. So what's nice is I have a little bit of room here to kind of shift it around where I need it, right? And that tells me that I'm really going to get good transfer to the back of those tiles. So what's nice about these is they're going to butt tight to each other, creating that grout joint that we talked about. Very consistent grout joint. And I'm just going to make sure that these points here stay on my reference lines. Try to minimize any adhesive coming up through the grout joints. You can go back and clean it out later. You can also keep a rag with you. A little bit of denatured alcohol, so if anything comes up, you can clean it up immediately. Again, I'm making sure that I'm staying on these reference lines, point to point here. I'm on this point here, all the way up to this one. So everything's looking really good right now. If you're starting and stopping with the adhesive, it's okay. You're going to end up with open areas like this that we can come back, remove that adhesive and spread fresh adhesive as we continue the installation. The other important thing you want to do is you want to roll it as you go. We're going to use a minimum 75-pound floor roller. Or this J roller. Does a really good job. We want to make sure that we're getting transfer to the back of these tiles. It's always a good idea to check one. So we could put a tile in right here and then check it for transfer. Make sure that we're getting enough glue on there. And you'll see the difference. You'll see the difference that rolling will make. Have a hard time even pulling it back up. We see the transfer on the back of that tile.